Hello, welcome back to this channel, my own in. This time I will show you the function, automatic mass posting to personal pages of the software, MuckTX unlimited number of accounts and number of that article. Here we are, will be the main interface of this MuckTX software. Here, we just need to choose viral marketing. Select the first section of this personal page, and when we're done choosing, we can choose the number of accounts we want to post. How much is here. After that, we just need to select the number of accounts. That's what we need to post. This software will not limit the number of accounts. I'll have an example here. There are 10 accounts. The next option is to select the number of simultaneous posts. He had several accounts at the same time. At the same time, it will be. I'll leave it at 10. And then we select that content. Here we click. Here click. Select all content. Here we can choose 50 or maybe more. Here, I will have a post that I posted. There are 10 accounts. And then when we're done posting, and we can always choose to release Tim and like this article, or always comment at the bottom of the post, and just press start. The software will automatically run it. Here, the software will automatically run this, as you can see, and good to see you in the next clip. Thank you.
Motherfucking design all right now.